When it comes to improving the aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and security of your home in Rockford, proper window installation is crucial. Whether you're replacing old windows, installing new ones, or building a custom home, the way your windows are installed significantly impacts their performance and durability. While it might be tempting to cut costs and take on a DIY window installation project, choosing to hire professional installers is often the best choice for ensuring the long-term functionality and efficiency of your windows. In this article, we'll explore the importance of proper window installation in Rockford and the benefits it provides for homeowners, including enhanced energy efficiency, improved comfort, increased home value, and long-term savings. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the primary reasons homeowners in Rockford opt for professional window installation is the improvement in energy efficiency. Poorly installed windows can lead to significant energy loss, especially during the cold winter months or hot summers. Gaps, leaks, and poor sealing around your windows allow air to escape, forcing your heating or cooling system to work harder and ultimately leading to higher energy bills. A professional window installation ensures that windows are properly sealed, insulated, and aligned. With windows installed correctly, the airtight seal minimizes drafts and maintains a more consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for constant heating or cooling. This results in lower utility bills and a more energy-efficient home. By opting for double-glazed or triple-glazed windows with energy-efficient coatings, the installation process can also help further improve thermal insulation, leading to long-term savings on energy costs. Improved comfort in your home. Proper window installation is key to maintaining comfort inside your home. Poorly installed windows can create cold spots in the winter or cause excessive heat buildup during summer, making it difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Air leaks and improper sealing can also lead to humidity issues, especially in areas like bathrooms and kitchens, leading to mold growth and an uncomfortable atmosphere. With correct installation, your windows will provide a more consistent indoor temperature, eliminating drafts and minimizing temperature fluctuations. In addition, professional window installation helps prevent excessive moisture infiltration, contributing to better indoor air quality and comfort. The right windows, installed the right way, can create a healthier and more comfortable living environment for you and your family. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. Windows play a major role in the overall aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you're installing new windows or replacing old ones, proper installation ensures that the windows look great and function well, improving your home's curb appeal. Misaligned or improperly fitted windows can look unattractive and may even detract from the overall look of your home. Correct installation ensures that your windows fit perfectly within the frames, align properly with other architectural features, and enhance the visual appeal of your home. Not only will properly installed windows make your home look more inviting, but they can also increase the overall value of your property. Potential buyers are likely to be more attracted to a home with windows that are energy efficient, functional, and well installed. Increased security and safety. Another crucial benefit of proper window installation is enhanced security. Windows are one of the most common entry points for burglars, so it's important to ensure that your windows are properly installed and secure. When windows aren't installed correctly, they may have gaps or may not lock properly, leaving your home vulnerable to break-ins. Professional window installation ensures that your windows are properly fitted, the locks are secure, and all the necessary security features are in place. High-quality windows with reinforced frames and secure locking mechanisms are a deterrent to potential burglars. If safety is a concern, consider installing windows with impact-resistant glass or security window film for added protection. Long-term durability and reduced maintenance. Proper window installation extends the lifespan of your windows and reduces the need for frequent repairs or replacements. When windows are installed incorrectly, the seals and framing may wear out prematurely, leading to air leaks, moisture buildup, and even the growth of mold. This can ultimately reduce the lifespan of your windows and require costly repairs. By hiring a professional installer, you can ensure that your windows are fitted with the highest level of care and expertise, guaranteeing long-term durability. Furthermore, a well-installed window requires less maintenance over time, as it will better withstand the elements and the wear and tear caused by daily use. Proper installation helps maintain the integrity of the frame and glass, ensuring that you won't need to invest in costly repairs or replacements down the road. Warranty protection and peace of mind. Another advantage of hiring a professional window installer is the added benefit of warranty protection. Many window manufacturers offer warranties on their products, but these warranties often come with specific installation requirements. If windows are not installed according to the manufacturer's specifications, the warranty may be voided. By hiring a professional installer, you can ensure that your windows are installed correctly and in accordance with the manufacturer's guidelines. This ensures that your warranty remains valid, protecting your investment in the long term. Professional installers also offer their own guarantees, giving you peace of mind knowing that your windows are backed by a warranty and that you'll have expert support if any issues arise. Conclusion. Choosing the right window installation service in Rockford is crucial for ensuring that your windows perform optimally and contribute to the overall functionality, comfort, and beauty of your home. Proper installation can improve energy efficiency, enhance comfort, boost curb appeal, increase security, and provide long-term durability. While it may be tempting to tackle a window installation project yourself, hiring a professional ensures that the job is done correctly and that your windows will serve you well for years to come. By investing in professional window installation, you're making a choice that will pay off in savings, comfort, and increased home value.